Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. This is Division on the Abacus short video episode number 5. These are our questions which we are going to do here. So let's start. First, place your dividend on the abacus. So this is my marked rod 1, 5 and 0 on the abacus. Okay, so you don't need to watch here, just watch divisor and the number on your abacus. Let's start. First, place your finger on very first or biggest or highest place number. Okay, so you have to take 1 is smaller than divisor, so you have to take 2 digits. 1, 5, 15. Okay, 15 divided by 6, your answer is 2. 6 2s are 1 and 2, 12. I reduced only 12 here. Okay, so how I reduced 12 here? First I reduce 10 and I borrow this 5 to reduce 2 here. But I'm not going to explain how I did that. Okay, if you want to know the techniques of addition and subtraction, you have to go to addition and subtraction techniques episodes. Okay, this is that. And change your finger. Now don't forget we have 0 here. 3 0 30. Okay, 30 divided by 6, your answer is 5. 6 5s are 3 0 30 and now finished. Okay, don't forget about that 0. Okay, and now your answer is on the abacus 2 and 5 25. Okay, in my channel you can learn abacus in 4 different languages: Nepali, English, Hindi, Japanese, and as well as in silent abacus tutorial. Not only this, you can practice flash arithmetic like flash addition, subtraction, flash multiplication, flash division. Not this much more reading mathematics also, but that is only in Japanese. Okay, so please go to my channel and check the videos and episodes and playlist and description box, anything. Okay, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to comment me, you can message me directly from the messenger. Please check my Facebook also. Okay, and let's go to another number. Reset your abacus. This question, 80 divided by 5. So I'm going to put my dividend 8 and 0 80. So here maybe you are recognizing, or you may thinking about, first I place my number 150 from this marked rod, but now I'm placing my dividend from this second rod. Okay, second rod or not behind the marked rod. Okay, 80. How or why? Okay, please check the basic rules of division if you want to know why is that. Okay, so I'm not going to explain that in here. Okay, so let's start. First take 8 divide by 5. Your answer is 1. 5 1 is 5, so reduce only 5. Okay, and go to another rod 0. Don't forget about 0. Now how many? 3 0 30. Okay, 30 divided by 5 6. Okay, 5 6 are 3 and 0 30. Now we finished our dividend, and here is our answer 1 and 6 16. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And next episode, next techniques, next short video. Till then, ta-da!